Inquisite AI is one of the latest AI tools to hit the market, and if you're new to the software, you might be wondering if it's truly the game changer it's being touted as. In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Inquisite AI, including what makes it stand out, how it can benefit you, and whether it's worth your time. Stick with me until the end because I'll share exactly how you can try this software for free and my final verdict on whether it's worth investing in. First off, Inquisite AI offers a powerful way to automate customer inquiries and feedback processes. The core of the software revolves around its advanced natural language processing capabilities, allowing it to handle conversations with a human-like touch. Whether you're running a business, a service, or even a personal blog, Inquisite AI can save you time by answering FAQs, processing feedback, or even gathering market insights from your audience with minimal human involvement. One of the standout features of Inquisite AI is its ability to adapt to various industries. From e-commerce to real estate, Inquisite AI molds its language and tone to fit the nature of your business. This customization ensures that it's not a one-size-fits-all tool, but rather a flexible solution capable of providing real value no matter your niche. Another crucial feature of Inquisite AI is its data-driven insights. The AI is built to analyze responses and provide actionable data that can help you understand customer sentiment, identify trends, and track engagement over time. This isn't just about automating responses. It's about using AI to gain meaningful insights that can drive your business decisions. What's also impressive is how easy Inquisite AI is to integrate with your existing systems. Whether you use a website, email marketing, or CRM tools, it integrates smoothly with them, creating a seamless workflow for customer interaction and data collection. You won't have to worry about a steep learning curve to get started. It's designed for simplicity. Let's talk about scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Inquisite AI grows with you. It can handle a high volume of inquiries without compromising on response time or quality. This scalability is crucial for businesses looking to grow without worrying about additional customer support staff or additional software costs. Now, you might be wondering, does it live up to the hype of being the best just released AI software? From my experience testing numerous AI tools, I can confidently say that Inquisite AI stands out because of its combination of powerful features, ease of use, and its ability to scale without losing performance. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to understand context in conversations and its continuous learning mechanism. It doesn't just answer questions, it learns from interactions and improves over time, becoming a smarter tool as you use it. The best part? You can try Inquisite AI completely free from the link below. This gives you an opportunity to test its capabilities firsthand without any financial commitment. As I wrap up, I want to mention that after testing thousands of AI tools, Inquisite AI is now one of my recommended AI software solutions for businesses and creators. If you're looking for an efficient way to manage customer interactions, gather data, and scale your processes, Inquisite AI is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the link below to try it for free and let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if you're looking for more AI tools to streamline your business, I've listed my top recommended AI software in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.